constantly jump shots. And when you having a tough night, that's a tough way to get over the hump. I felt like you should try to get to the basket more, be more aggressive. You got to put the foul line, but I thought you should have got there more.
Like I expected. I buy this vacuum because I do cleaning in the restaurant and the vacuum is not strong enough. I don't know what is this, but I was expecting something much better for what I pay. See, it's not picking up that. So I need a better, much better strong vacuum. I clean a restaurant, that's my job, and the vacuum is not doing what I thought it was supposed to do. I already sweep the whole area because it's not strong. And look at this. I have it all the way to the mat. It's just not strong. It's not heavy duty vacuum. It's to use in home, I guess. See, I have a struggle to picking up that. And the cord is not long enough. I'm just frustrated, I'm sorry. The cord is not long enough. I have to get extra extension from my house. But, and it's full already. I was expecting a better filter. I was expecting much better capacity to hold the dirt. This is heavy duty. But yeah, I don't know. I just don't want to waste too much time cleaning, and the vacuum is not. That's it. Okay, thank you. Bye.